let's see if this works. Hey, we're going Motoralli here, and today we're going to change these into these. Wow. Right, so you might be thinking, why am I, why? And the reason why I've got some new wing mirrors is because, yeah, so I like, yeah. Right, so the reason why I'm actually changing these over is because, again, they're broken, but instead of changing it from the stock pre-face one, we're going to get the face-off one. So we've got an indicator in there as well. That's quite nice. We have got an indicator here, so I'll have to wire that in. But I mean, can I focus? No, no. I can now.
First things first, we need to take off the door card. I've made a tutorial that's linked below. So we get an Allen key, put it in the back side so we can actually take off the screws that's holding the handle in. Take the screws out. Next we get this trim piece off here, and then we finally take the door card off.
Right, so we've got 3 bolts up here. These are 8mm. We're going to take this off, put the new one on, and then we're going to connect it up to here. So we're not going to mess with the factory harness. We're actually going to cut these bit here because the new one has the indicator, and so it's a 6-pin plug instead of a 5-pin plug, which this is. So we just cut these along and take that off and replace it. Let's go. So what we do now, we're going to cut these connectors off here, put in this one here. There's a guide online on EIR Soft, where it basically just shows up which connectors go to where. So we'll do that right now. Let's go. Let's try and test it up with this. I've turned the ignition on and I'm going to press the down one in 3, 2, 1. Right, down goes left. Great. Left goes down. Where does right go? Right goes up and up goes right. Okay, so that's something's gone wrong. Right, so we have got this back in a different order now. So instead of using the diagram, it looks like it didn't work for me. However, I did swap 2 over. So the yellow and red from the new one, that still goes to yellow. But the yellow and black goes to the green. Yellow and white goes to the grey there. So let's take a look. In 3, 2, 1. I'm going to press the down one. And yes, sir. That's down, left. There we go. Oh, I went too much. To the right. There we go, and up. Amazing. Sorted. All sorted. Lovely stuff. And obviously I can't leave it like this because, I mean, look at it. What a state this is in. These 2 are the indicator ones. So I have to actually go from the indicator bit down in the fender. Can't see, don't know. There. And then put this in. But for the time being, let's get this soldered up so I can actually use this plug. Right, okay, do not at me with this. I know we put electrical tape on it, but don't at me. It's dodgy. We have to get this done in like the next couple of seconds. One hand film them because, yeah, obviously I need to go to work in like 0.2 seconds. I can't really go work like this. I mean, we can close the door using this, but yeah, that ain't gonna look good. Anyway, right, let's get this on and let's test fit up. Test fit to see if this still works with the other controls. So yeah, on to getting these off now. Right, also don't follow me or watch me and my dad solder because, yeah, that's again dodgy. It's a bodge job. If you want proper soldering techniques, click up one of these corners will be a video to Chris Fix, and he out with the new, in with the new. I don't know. Look, I'm not going to spend £100 million on some like 3M silicone paste for a job that for a job like this. I only use it like once, and then that's it, done, sorted. But yeah, anyway, let's get this sorted. To know the truth, my battery died again, so I'm on my phone. Let's turn it to accessories mode. There we go. Oh my god, full blast. Let's turn the music off here. And finally, that's the shot. There we go. Let's see if this